What's going on YouTube? So I have a quick comparison today between two different types of motor mounts that I had on my car at one point. So I bought this car with what I thought were eBay mounts already installed. Ended up being that they were Yonaka brand motor mounts, and I just put 2 out of the 3 Hasport mounts on the car just now. So I installed the passenger side and the driver's side, and they really weren't that bad to get in, honestly. I guess the hardest part I thought was just getting the old mounts off and then lining up the brackets. But other than that, it really wasn't that bad. But I mean, if you look here, this is the passenger side mount, and it's already popping out of place. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's not the best quality in my opinion, and it was super stiff, extremely stiff mounts. I wasn't the biggest fan of them, so the first thing I did was buy the Hasport kit. So this is the rear mount. I haven't installed the rear one yet. I just have the passenger and driver side in, but I mean, just from holding it in my hand, you can completely tell that the quality difference is absolutely insane. I mean, it looks better, it feels better, and honestly, I can't wait to put it on the car and see how it actually performs, if it helps with vibrations and stuff. But I mean, here's the driver's side too. Again, it's just, you can just tell that the quality and the mount itself is just, it's not the best. I mean, they're cheap. I think you can buy the full kit for like $170 online. So you get what you pay for. The Hasport kit was around $370, I think is what I paid for everything. But here's the bracket. It's just, I don't know. I feel like personally, you don't ever cheap out on car parts, because I would rather do it once the right way than do it twice and have to pay more in the long run and waste more time in the long run. So I mean, here's the driver's side here. It's not bad. I like it. I just put them on today, so I have maybe 5 miles on the mount. So until they break in, I really won't be able to tell how much different they are. I mean, just from driving, the little bit I did today, it was a big difference. But yeah, I'm excited to get that rear motor mount take it out and get the Hasport kit put in. But no, never cheap out on mounts. That's, I guess, parts in general. So that's my biggest thing. I mean, you can just see it. I mean, it looks good. It feels good. This is the street version, by the way. So it's their softest mount they make, and I mean, I'm not a big fan of stiff mounts to begin with. So a lot of people say they get the 70A, or I think they make a 90A version, which is basically just like billet almost. But no, this is, yeah, you can just look at that. You can just tell it's just, I don't know if it's rubber or if it's polyurethane. I don't think it's polyurethane, but it's yeah, it's starting to tear right there. It's just not the best quality. And do it once right instead of having to do it twice. So that's my PSA for the day. Hope you guys liked the video.